Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to our prairie dog enclosure. And you join me on a very, very exciting day. It is Prairie Dog Day. And you might be thinking, well, I've seen this video before, and that is because it is also Groundhog Day. Now, prairie dogs are an absolutely amazing species, and they do get criminally overlooked here at Notcatch. A lot of people say they're just little brown fat rats, and that is very, very unfair because prairie dogs are absolutely amazing. They're what you call a keystone species, and what this means is they are crucial members of their ecosystem. Now, unfortunately for prairie dogs, what makes them so crucial is the fact that they are food. Absolutely everything eats prairie dogs. Birds of prey, some of your sort of cat and dog species over in America. You've got your reptiles like your snakes. In fact, you've got snakes that are specifically evolved to hunt prairie dogs. That is how integral they are to their ecosystem. One other animal that is almost totally dependent on the black-tailed prairie dog for food is the black-footed ferret. Now, this is an amazing mustelid species and actually pretty much went extinct in the wild in the late 20th century. But through conservation efforts and the hard work of zoos, bringing them into captivity, breeding them and re-releasing them, they were able to bolster their population in the wild. And in 2008, they went up from critically endangered to endangered. And there is now a population living wild in the UK, and they almost exclusively eat the black-tailed prairie dog. Now, it's not just them being food that makes them amazing. Obviously, these guys live over in America and are a really iconic part of the American Western landscape. And that's because they live in these huge villages of up to 1.2 million prairie dogs in one massive colony. And those tunnels and tunnel networks that they create then get used by other animals such as snakes, badgers, and other small rodents. So I'd hope you can all join me today in celebrating Prairie Dog Day or Groundhog Day and just thinking about some of the amazing things that these guys do for their native ecosystems. Thanks very much, guys, and look forward to seeing you at the Prairie Dog Enclosure later on.